Lightning is hotter than you, bitch. Oh my god!
Hey, stop.
Dylan, stop it! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Get away from me. Dude, Jay needs to hurry up. That's why I'm just sitting out here so she remembers the house.
Dude, you're like freaking them out.
Me?
Chill.
My mom's car.
Chill out.
I get like really jumpy.
Lindsey, give me a hug. I need a hug. Why? I don't know. Ew, you're wet. You're wet.
Hey, did it just get really dark?
Yeah.
I want the camera.
Not my camera.
That's every day.
No.
That's today. Is that a funnel? Like forming?
That's not a funnel. No, it's not.
It's just a cloud. That's a fucking
That's a big cloud.
Dude, no.
Cumulus or something like that it's called.
Cumulus.
Cumulus isn't big.
Yes, it is. Cumulus is the fluffy kind.
It can't be. Cumulus is the one that's
what made that
streamy.
really big one come down.
Yeah.
My mom's calling. Yes, she's on her way to get me.
Yeah, yes.
You can get Jake.
Hello? Hello?
I can't leave.
What up?
I have no brakes and what?
No, I'm saying,
It is getting brutal here.
dude, it's scary. No, is his mom gonna drop you off at home?
Okay, do you know the road, like, okay, you go...
That looks like a giant tornado. Do you see that? How it looks all like...
Yeah, but you're making it up. Over there, the sky looks like green.
Do you see the wind fucking forming? It's so
Okay,
freaking
go past it.
Here it comes! Here it comes! Here it comes!
Oh, shit, Bill.
Don't do that!
It's raining. It's raining.
You know most things will straight up snails and clowns.
Oh yeah, check this out.
There's
something cool stuff going on out here now.
You go,
Fuck this.
after Hard Road, what do you do?
You take a car, you go on Hard Road, the first stop sign, then you take a right.
Take your right, you take your right.
No, you sit there on.
I didn't show you that?
First, like, right.
Oh, in South Dakota.
Cedar Point.